Hello, so this is the airbrush that I use to do fine detailing, or like when I do my colour matching, for example, on kitchen units. This is what I use. Got it off Temu, quite a cheap one, £20 I think it were. On this gun also we have a little thing here which adjusts the speed of the fluid, as well as at the back adjusts the fan size. So it's good for fine detailing or smart repairs. This is the damage of the tiles that we're going to be repairing. Got a defect in a tile here, that's a different colour, and we've got some fine little cracks here. So let's apply some colour. Tile repaired. That's the airbrush that I use. Does the job. Thanks for watching.